Welcome to the English Mood Podcast.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Mood Podcast. I'm Nora, your host, and I'm truly happy that you're here with me today. In this episode, we're going to practice one of the most effective techniques for improving your English speaking skills, shadowing. Before we begin the story, let's quickly review what shadowing is and how you can use it correctly. Shadowing is a method where you listen to English and repeat it almost at the same time as the speaker. You don't wait until the sentence ends. Instead, you try to speak along with the audio. Imagine that your voice is a shadow following the speaker's voice. You listen carefully. You repeat immediately. You copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the stress, and even the feeling behind the words. At the beginning, this may feel challenging. Your tongue might move slowly. Your brain might feel tired. You might lose track of a few words. That is completely normal. It simply means your brain is working hard and building new connections. Shadowing trains your ears and your mouth to work together. It helps you respond faster. It improves your pronunciation naturally. And most importantly, it builds confidence. If speaking at the same time feels too fast, you can pause after each sentence and repeat it. As you practice more often, you will slowly be able to shadow in real time without pausing. Today's story is about an ordinary weekday in someone's life. From the moment the alarm rings in the morning to the quiet moments before sleep at night, you'll hear simple and natural English. The kind of English that you can use in your own daily conversations. As you listen, try to imagine everything clearly. Picture the rooms. Hear the sounds. Feel the emotions. Let yourself step into the day. Take a slow, deep breath. Relax your shoulders. And when you're ready, let's begin. But before we move into the story, if you enjoy practicing English in this way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. It really supports English Mood Podcast and helps more learners find these lessons. Thank you so much for your support. Now, let's start. The alarm goes off at 7 a.m. The sound is soft but steady. I slowly reach over to my nightstand and turn it off. For a moment, I keep my eyes closed. The room is quiet and the air feels cool against my skin. I open my eyes and look at the ceiling. Another day begins. I stretch my arms and legs under the blanket. My body feels a little heavy, but not too tired. I take a deep breath and sit up carefully. Sunlight is coming through the curtains, creating warm lines of light across the floor. I swing my legs over the side of the bed and place my feet on the floor. It feels slightly cold. I stand up, open the curtains fully, and let the morning light fill the room. The sky is clear and pale blue. A few birds are flying between the buildings. I smile quietly. It looks like it will be a beautiful day. I make my bed, pulling the blanket neatly into place. I straighten the pillows and tidy the small table next to my bed. I like starting the day with a clean space. It makes my mind feel organized. Then I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water, and it wakes me up immediately. I brush my teeth and look at my reflection in the mirror. My hair is a little messy, and my eyes still look sleepy. Good morning, I say softly to myself. After that, I take a quick shower. The warm water relaxes my muscles. I close my eyes and enjoy the peaceful moment. When I finish, I dry my hair and get dressed. I choose a simple outfit, comfortable jeans and a light sweater. Next, I head to the kitchen. The apartment is still quiet. I open the window slightly to let fresh air come in. The morning breeze feels refreshing. I start preparing breakfast. Today I decide to make oatmeal with fruit. I pour some oats into a pot, add milk, and turn on the stove. While it cooks, I slice a banana and cut a few strawberries. I also make a cup of green tea. The kitchen slowly fills with a warm, comforting smell. I sit at the table and eat slowly. I don't check my phone right away. Instead, I enjoy the silence. I focus on the taste of the food and the warmth of the tea in my hands. After breakfast, I wash the bowl and spoon and wipe the counter. Then I finally check my phone. I read a few messages from friends and look at my calendar. I have several tasks to complete today and one online meeting in the afternoon. At 8:15, I put on my shoes and grab my bag. Before leaving, I look around to make sure everything's in order. I turn off the lights and lock the door behind me. The hallway is quiet. I take the elevator down and step outside. The air feels cool and fresh. I take a deep breath and begin walking toward the subway station. The streets are slowly becoming busy. People are walking quickly, holding coffee cups and checking their phones. Cars pass by, and I hear the distant sound of traffic. When I reach the station, I tap my card and go down the stairs. The train arrives after a few minutes. I find a seat near the window and sit down. During the ride, I like to observe people. A woman is reading a book. A man is listening to music with his eyes closed. Two students are quietly talking and laughing. I put on my headphones and listen to a podcast. Sometimes I repeat interesting phrases quietly to myself. It feels like a small practice session before work. After about 20 minutes, I arrive at my stop. I walk up the stairs and step back into the sunlight. My office building is only a few minutes away. When I enter, I greet the receptionist and take the elevator to the 4th floor. I walk to my desk, place my bag down, and turn on my computer. The morning passes quickly. I answer emails, organize documents, and update a report that I started yesterday. I focus carefully and try not to get distracted. Around 11 o'clock, I stand up and stretch my back. Sitting too long makes me feel stiff. I refill my water bottle and chat briefly with a coworker about the weekend. At 1 p.m., I join my online meeting. I review my notes before speaking. When it's my turn, I share my ideas clearly and confidently. The meeting goes smoothly, and we agree on the next steps for our project. After the meeting, I feel satisfied. It's always a good feeling when communication goes well. By 2 o'clock, I start to feel hungry. I decide to take a lunch break. I walk to a nearby park with a small lunchbox that I prepared last night. I sit on a bench under a tree and open my meal. The sun is warmer now. I can hear children playing in the distance. A dog runs across the grass while its owner calls after it. I eat slowly and enjoy the fresh air. Taking a break outside helps me clear my mind. When I return to the office, I spend the afternoon finishing smaller tasks. I make a few phone calls, reply to messages, and plan tomorrow's schedule. At 5:30 p.m., I shut down my computer. I say goodbye to my coworkers and leave the building. The sky is beginning to change colors. Soft shades of orange and pink fill the horizon. Instead of going straight home, I decide to stop at the grocery store. I need a few things for dinner. I walk through the aisles and choose vegetables, rice, and some yogurt. I wait in line, pay, and pack everything into my bag. When I finally arrive home, I feel a little tired. I take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes. For a few minutes, I simply sit on the couch and close my eyes. I breathe deeply and let the stress of the day fade away. Later, I begin cooking dinner. I wash and chop the vegetables, boil the rice, and cook everything together in a large pan. I turn on soft music in the background. The rhythm of cooking feels relaxing. While stirring the food, I think about my day. I remember the successful meeting. I remember the sunshine in the park. Small positive moments make a difference. After dinner, I clean the kitchen carefully. I wash the dishes, dry them, and put everything back in its place. In the evening, I like to move my body a little. Sometimes I do a short workout at home. Today, I roll out a yoga mat and stretch for 20 minutes. My muscles feel tight at first, but slowly they relax. After exercising, I take a warm shower. The water washes away the remaining tension in my shoulders. Around 9 p.m., I make a cup of herbal tea and sit by the window. The city looks different at night. Lights shine from the buildings and the streets are quieter. I pick up a journal and write a few sentences about my day. I write what I accomplished and what I'm grateful for. Writing helps me understand my thoughts. Later, I watch one short episode of a series. I don't want to stay up too late. I laugh at a funny scene and feel lighter. Before bed, I prepare my clothes for tomorrow and set my alarm for 7 o'clock again. I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and lie down. The room is dark and peaceful. I think about 3 good things that happened today. Then I close my eyes. Slowly, my breathing becomes deeper, and gently, I fall asleep. Now let's talk about how you can practice shadowing with this episode. First, listen one time without speaking. Just listen. Focus on understanding the general meaning. Second, listen again and start shadowing. Try to follow the rhythm. Don't worry if you miss a word. Just continue. Third, pay attention to everyday verbs like wake up, reach, open, choose, prepare, arrive, finish, decide, remember, and fall asleep. These verbs are extremely useful in daily conversations. Also notice the time expressions around, after, before, during, instead of, finally, later, and slowly. These help your story sound natural and connected. Remember, fluency is not about speaking fast. It's about speaking smoothly and confidently. Practice a little every day. Even 10 minutes can create powerful change over time. If this episode helped you, please like this video and subscribe to English Mood Podcast. You can also share it with someone who is learning English. And in the comments, I would love to read about your daily routine. Try to describe one full day in English using some of today's vocabulary. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'm Nora, and this is English Mood Podcast. Keep showing up. Keep practicing. Keep believing in your progress. Your consistency creates your confidence. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.